We have washing machine here.
Daddy, they are hungry.
Yeah, but we don't have any. Let's show you. Welcome home. We are celebrating our 10th wedding anniversary in this house.
Yay!
The mountains. Come on, let's show everyone our house. This is our tiny space. I got boo boo. Let's show you. That's Genting Highland. Come. You have to go out. Jump. Come on, Daddy, close. Come on. Show the room. Come on. Come. This is another room. Hi guys. Come on. We show another room and bathroom only you want to show everybody. Hi guys.
One more bathroom. 2 bathrooms. Okay. Go inside.
Another room.
This is Tiana room. All in pink color. What are you wearing?
Elsa J.
Ah. Is it a cold weather here?
Yeah.
Very cold. We're wearing sweater.
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on guys. Show the kitchen also. We get this beautiful kitchen. Show it. Let Daddy come. Daddy fell down here.
What fell down?
Beautiful kitchen. Here. Okay. Everything you have. You have washing machine here. Very hidden, cozy, nicely kept. And show all the compartments here.
Yeah, all your utensils are here.
This one. What do we have?
Nothing.
You have all these storage. Oh, you have vacuum cleaner also.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, fine, let's go.
Microwave.
Microwave.
I've got the 10. Oh,
Yes.
fridge also 10 years.
Oh, fridge also 10. Okay. 10 years warranty, okay?
Okay, guys, let's go.
Tiana and Daddy and Mommy are going to celebrate our... What we are celebrating? 10 years?
Wedding anniversary.
Yay!
They are hungry, I think. They're just looking out.
Daddy, they are hungry.
Yeah, but we don't have anything to feed them.
I don't have. Hey, that thing.
Come.
Funny.
Udhar. There.
There we go. Come.
Where's the playground?
Playground is here. Okay, let's check what's inside. Here outside it's very easy. It's raining. Okay, don't go so far. Looks so beautiful over here. Be careful. Bend, okay? Just close.
Come fast. Yes.
25 floors.
Oh, so nice. Let's go.
this side also, Titi. See, there is a beetle gone. Beetle run away.
So good, come.
Nobody's getting it only. He did not see my surprise. I see. He just did not see the reaction. Look. He has not even seen it. Not even seen it.
Diana. Oh my god!
Titi, Mummy got something for Daddy. What is that?
All the reaction captured that nobody see anything for me.
Oh my God!
Didi!
It's okay. Come. Arey, Mummy! Oh my God! When did you go to Tissa, Mummy?
Didi just follow it.
Wow, Mummy!
Nicely, nice. You don't tear that paper also. Black color, don't tear it, okay?
Thank you, Mummy, so much. Wow, Mummy, thank you so much.
You're welcome, John. Give me a hug.
Oh my God.
Give me a hug.
Didi, come hug, group hug.
You want to wish us? It's our 10th wedding anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
This is what I'm saying about it. What happened?
My God, Mummy, what did you do? I was just telling you in the ad with Yana, Mummy got a nice watch for Daddy. Daddy's favorite watch.
You're welcome, Daddy.
Thank you. Thank you for this wonderful gift, sweetie.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy anniversary. Let's
Happy
do
anniversary.
Yeah.
fufu. Do it.
Who wants to do fufu?
Me.
Okay.
Wait.
Get.
No sound, only Hawa.
Yay!
Okay.
Let's keep it in the side.
How many years? How many years? How many? 10
10
years. Okay, I'll keep it on the side. Okay. Very nice.
Shall we cut it?
3 pieces here. 3 pieces, is it?
See. Did you want to feed us?
Mommy. Okay.
Yeah, go. Faster, ready.